Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to enable or disable the fall assist setting in Cairn. Let's begin by pausing the game. Then open Settings. In Settings, make sure you go to the Gameplay section and look to the Assist mode. This setting becomes available to change if you started your actual playthrough. Of course, to enable or disable the fall rewind, you need to first enable the assist mode. If it is, as you can see, nothing is selected, so it is as if the assist mode is disabled. Now we can enable or disable the fall rewind. Let's say I want it enabled. Simply leave the checkbox toggled, then hit back and back once again. Now you can resume your playthrough. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.